Renaissance Tower is a prominent skyscraper located in downtown Dallas, Texas. Completed in 1974, it stands 886 feet tall and has 56 floors, making it one of the tallest buildings in Dallas. The tower is easily recognizable by its distinctive X-shaped neon lights that illuminate its exterior at night. Originally designed by architects Helmuth, Obata and Kassabaum, it underwent a significant renovation in the 1980s to modernize its appearance. Renaissance Tower houses numerous offices and commercial spaces, attracting major corporations. Its strategic location in the heart of the city makes it a key part of Dallas's skyline. The building's unique design and lighting have made it an iconic landmark. It is known for its dynamic, ever-changing light displays that create a visual spectacle. Renaissance Tower is also a popular filming location for movies and TV shows, adding to its cultural significance.